Good morning, YouTube. It is me, Mssensational, and I wanted to come on and share with you a bit of information. On my last video, I was asking for people to send me information as far as legitimate work from home jobs. So I had several people who sent me messages about work from home jobs. I did apply for those positions and never heard anything. I also had one person who is subscribed to me, and I don't know if she wants me to say her name or anything. And she's also a follower of mine on Instagram. And she sent me a message and told me to apply for several positions. And one of those I actually applied for last week, I believe, yeah, on the 7th, I think. And I was actually hired. Training starts today. I'm sitting at my desk in my living room, and training starts today at 10 a.m. So it's from 10 until 7 because I chose the morning shift. They do ask you how many hours you're looking for. They do have part-time, and they also have full-time positions. And I asked for the full-time, which consisted of, well, I picked 35 hours a week. They do offer benefits if you are full-time. So again, like I said, my training starts today at 10. I don't think I'll be able to actually do any footage while I'm in training. The only requirements that you have to have is a webcam, a internet connection with the direct cable input. You can't use Wi-Fi, and you have to have a USB headset of your choice, as long as it has the noise cancellation. So I have all of those, and I'm ready to start my training today. The job that I'm speaking of is with a company called Telenetwork, and you're required to download a couple of their programs that they use if you are hired to do the job. So yeah, I will be giving you more information. I will leave information in the description box below. If you have any questions, concerns, I will also be taking those in the comment section below. But I will be back later on today to let you know what training was about. Talk to you later. Bye. Hey guys, so it is half done today in training. It's 2:04. And we're on lunch right now. It's been a long day. Everything is going well thus far. The company seems like it's going to be a really great company to work for. And I'm just really excited about joining this company and being able to work from home. I don't have to worry about gas or anything of that nature. So I will come back later because I have to go and start cooking dinner now. While I'm on my lunch, and that way all I have to do is warm it up when he gets home, because I don't get off from training until 7 tonight, and he may already be halfway home by that time. So I just want to make sure he still has a good cooked meal. So I will come back later after training and let you guys know how everything is going. And I know it's dark in here, and that's because I have the lights off so I can look at the computer screen. So yeah, I'll be back later and give you more information about working for this great company thus far. Talk to you later. Bye. All right, guys, so training is over with. It was a long day, very long day, but training went overall, it went very well. I was pleased with the lead person, or the supervisor, who was over our training class today. He was very good, very patient. And so they still have positions available for Telenetwork. So what I'm going to do is include a link below, and if you're interested in working from home, this may be the right company for you. There are no startup fees, and they have, like I said, benefits if you do the full-time. And you can pretty much, you know, request what hours you want to work as far as part-time or full-time. So I'm going to piece all of this together. I'm going to finish cooking dinner and then upload this to you guys. So if you're interested or if you have any questions, please feel free to leave me some messages and I will do my best to answer those questions for you. Thanks for watching. I hope that this in some kind of shape, form, way, or fashion helps someone else who is looking to work from home, because it's really the way to go now. Don't have to drive, no gas. It's wonderful. So I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.